Pag labas ko, ano na, I can handle the temperature na.
Yes.
Hello!
Chris and Gladys' house right now.
And look, the foods and the goods.
Nice our plate. Look, our plate. Oh. It's our first Thanksgiving here in the mainland. We are spending the day or the night at our neighbor's house. Tonight we are going to play this. Pretty sure you guys already know what this game is. It's called Watch Your Mouth Challenge.
Watch your mouth.
With the use of this mouth guard, we are going to put it in our mouth and someone will be guessing what we are talking about. So there will be cards inside and we have this timer. Okay, so the mechanics of the game. So this is the mechanics of the game. How to play. Divide into teams of 2. Each team will take turns having 60 seconds to interpret as many phrases as possible. On each team, one player is a reader and the other is an interpreter. The reader places a mouth opener in his or her mouth. Okay? And then when ready, the timer is flipped. Then the reader draws a card and reads the word or phrase on the card to the interpreter. The interpreter must correctly guess and accurately repeat what the reader is saying. The interpreter must state the phrase exactly as it is written on the card.
Come on, let's just start it.
Okay, alright. Okay, let's start. How about the pick? Hoy, may laway!
Alright? Ang aking heart.
Not a pink unicorn.
No, alright, ang aking heart. Unicorn.
I have leg. Leg. I have a leg.
I must pick up. That's long. I must feel that.
I feel I must pick up that pickle.
Oh my god, it's so hard.
You have a big mouth. He. Hey! Just an update, no one scored yet.
My long Russell sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
My long. Russell sprouts. Okay. Russell sprouts. Okay.
My baby.
I'm wrong.
My mom.
Russell sprouts. Russell sprouts. Hey.
My mom Brussels sprouts.
Around.
I was like, what is that? I thought he's saying wrong.
Yay, 1 point. I.
Favorite. 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 Favorite.
Change bread.
Favorite. Favorite.
Why hate it?
Favorite.
Cigarette.
It's fun though. I'm not lying. It's a laugh.
Go. Roar. Roar. No. Slide. Road over trouble.
But it was easy because 3 words lang.
Yeah.
But Rover, I couldn't understand Rover.
Move nga, hindi mo ma-understand Rover pa.
Please. Please.
Pass
Pass
the order.
the letter. Please pass. Laughter.
No. What should you see the pasta?
Water.
The pasta when you cook.
Oh, salt.
Besides oil.
Oh, butter.
Okay.
Please pass the butter.
There you go. Yay!
Painting
Pink.
in pink. Pink.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Hard. This is hard for me. Hi.
Hi.
Down, down. Down. Down.
Down.
Yeah. Okay. Hi. Down, down.
Down.
Okay. Roar. Hi. Roar.
Fireball.
Yes. R. Powder.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Yay!
Round.
Rub.
I.
Rub my
Ready.
belly.
Is.
Speak.
Heart. Heart. Ryan, you don't like. Heart. You cannot eat.
Pork.
Heart
And
Lean.
pork and green.
Lean. 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 Lean.
Pork and green. Pork and green.
That is hair.
Tail.
Hair. Hair. And hair. Hair.
Pork and beans.
Hair.
Gel.
Hair. Hair.
Fill.
Right. Right.
Like.
Right. Right.
You.
Right. Right.
Like.
Right.
Pork and beans.
Hair.
Tail.
Hair.
Fill.
Right.
Like.
Right. Right. Right.
Like.
Right.
Like.
Right.
Like.
Mine, not like you.
Pork and beans fill my belly.
Dinner. Dinner.
Winner.
Dinner. Dinner.
Winner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Winner.
Roll.
Cake.
Roll.
Bong.
Roll.
Phone.
Roll.
Cake.
Roll. Roll.
Winner.
T.
Tea.
Roller. AT&T. Verizon. T. Roll.
T-Mobile.
Roller. Okay.
Winner Mobile.
Yeah.
Yay!
Come on. You still have time.
How come? What happened?
No, it's the light.
The lights went off.
Who plays? Who plays? Plays.
Face.
Plays. Play.
Face.
No.
I think they won. Thank you everyone for watching this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy our Watch Your Mouth challenge, and see you guys again on another challenge with our neighbors. Up next will be either the pie face challenge or the build gingerbread house. Okay, see you, bye, aloha, happy Thanksgiving.